Well, it's a beautiful summer day, and today we're in a very special place, one of the most beautiful places in the world. We're on the Amalfi coast in Italy, in the town of Amalfi, and we're going to have a nice walking adventure today where, once again, we're going to order some beautiful sandwiches, kind of check it out. It's a very crowded, touristy spot as well, so we'll navigate the crowds, keep our hands in our wallets, etc., and start the adventure. So we're actually going to immediately come and grab some lunch, but just look at the cliffs that surround this beautiful coastal town. It's really quite exceptional and extraordinary, and we just love it. So, first task at hand is to find a very famous sandwich place, but just we'll have some of the crowd views as we kind of navigate through. I think we have to go through that arch over there. But this gives you an idea of the crowds. Very typical in Europe though. I mean, you see crowds all over the place, elbow to elbow, and these streets are very narrow and very short. So if you want privacy and to get out of the way, this is not the place. However, the beauty makes up for everything, and if you've never been to the Amalfi Coast, you really are missing one of the great treasures of the traveling world. These are really skinny roads. I once did this in a large motor coach, and I don't know how the driver does it, but you get very nervous, especially with the cliffs. A lot of the roads here are on cliffs that there's no railing, it's just you and the road. So get ready, here are the crowds. Anywhere you go in Europe is going to be crowded and busy like this. Here's a beautiful church, one of the famous landmarks here in the town of Amalfi. And then this main drag here, we're gonna run up and down that a little bit later on, but first we're gonna grab our Paninis sandwiches, and I think we go down this way. Once again, we're trying Apple Maps again today, which tends to get us lost. We'll see how effective we are today. Ooh, this is really cool. One good thing about these alleyways is that you don't get a lot of people going through them. So if you want some privacy, that's where you go. But we are now at Luisa. There it is, Ralph. Oh yeah, so here you have the sandwiches. We have a staple service.
So can I just do mortadella and provolone?
Yeah, just mozzarella and provolone.
Yeah.
Do you want some aubergine, zucchini, fresh tomato?
Tomato?
Fresh tomato, sun-dried tomato.
Sun-dried would be nice.
Okay.
You don't have any pistachio spread, do you?
So abbiamo la crema di pistacchio. We have, yes, pistachio pesto di pistachio.
Oh. Okay, so I'll have that as well. Yeah. I think we came across a good idea here. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so this is Luisa, and it's funny. There's two panini places almost next to each other. The one that's rated on Google Maps is the one next door, but this one looked pretty good because it was family run and operated. And I'm ready. Okay, so today we have crusty bread. Yesterday it was a little softer. Mortadella. Formaggio. And the best part is that pistachio pesto. Oh, it's a little too hot to bite into. Okay, here's the first bite. What, 2 tomatoes? Oops, excuse me. Buongiorno. So,
Give me the card.
okay.
Let's do the sandwich.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Who's Luisa?
My mom.
Luisa, bellissimo.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. All right, so we met Luisa, the grand creator of the panini, the panino. So we're now going to continue our journey and our adventure. We don't really have a plan. It's just wherever, well, there's one road in town, so wherever that road takes us. And maybe there'll be some snacks involved, some food, but definitely a lot of little boutiques to see, some interesting stuff. You definitely cannot get through here in a hurry if your life depended on it. So you want to stay hydrated, keep your hand on your wallet, and look for exciting things. So, lemons are a big deal on the Amalfi Coast, so you'll see a lot of these shops that have limoncello, lemon soap, lemon candy, everything but fresh lemons, I guess. And of course, if you like pizza, there's no shortage of pizzerias here. And it's funny, when I first started coming to Italy years and years and years ago, I always thought the pizza was kind of a scam because they do great pizza back home, and I never really thought locals would it. Oh look, lemons. But anyway, the pizza's actually quite good in Italy, but you've got to get them from the right places. The kind of tourist-heavy spots aren't that exceptional, but there's always great, because the dough here and the water, the dough especially is so good and very light. You know, the pizza from Napoli, the Napoleon style, with the bubbly crust and the mozzarella, that's the real go-to. And it's something you'll definitely enjoy, but you have to eat it as soon as it's made. If it lasts more than 10 minutes, it gets hard and crusty and it's not as good. Ooh, pastries. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, more paninos. That's like some of the stuff that we had yesterday. Well, it's good for a look. And we'll see what else has across. Yeah, pistachio is a big thing here. If you love pistachio, which I do, you're going to find lots of treats. It's in sandwiches, it's in pastries, it's in desserts. Fresh fruit. Fruta y verdura. So I have my phone in my back pocket, which is, you know, a pretty stupid thing to do for a lot of people, but I have confidence in my fellow tourists here. No one's going to try to swipe it. Plus I have a zipper on it too, so it's pretty safe, I think. Oh, here's a place called Nino Friends, and it looks like chocolates, and they give you samples, so they guilt you into buying something. So I'm sure we'll walk out with something today. Let's see. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you. All right, let's see what the sample is. See if we get suckered in here. Very good. That's delicious. They have little pistachio cookies. That might be something to try as well. Let's try pistachio, por favor. And these are the cookies, right?
Yeah.
These?
Yes, pistachio.
Oh, it's so good. A little bit of cream inside. So I told you, they give you a taste and you buy. You feel guilted into buying, but in this case, it's a good guilt. Okay, you're making me want everything, Sabrina. This is pistachio cream. It's sweet. I know I want to buy the pistachio and the cookies and the cream. Yeah.
Look at the cake.
Okay.
This is the cookie.
Okay.
The chocolate only pistachio, we have this one.
Okay.
Or we have the mix with the hazelnut.
No, just pistachio.
And the lemon as well.
The cookie.
Yes. Delicious.
And the cream. Oh, now what?
Limoncello chocolate? Limoncello chocolate?
It's like a lemon. Limoncello chocolate. I'm going crazy here. I want everything. Look how good that is. That's the winner. All right, we better cash out here before we take up the whole store. Is it alcohol? No, I'm going to pass that. Thank you. Imagine me turning down a drink. Well, it's too early. Wow. Oh, okay. Federico, I love your hair.
Thank you so much.
I wish I could do that. So we didn't plan on doing any souvenir shopping, but that pistachio, I'm always a sucker for good pistachios. So we filled out. We got the cookies, the candies, pesto, pistachio cream, which is like a sweet thing, and maybe a couple of things as well. So that'll be great to take home and enjoy. And remember the stay at Amalfi. Let's see what we got here. You know what? I'm gonna have a pistachio gelato. Yeah, just a piccolo. May I have a pistachio?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, magical. It's magical. Now we gotta find a place to sit down and eat. So that is a kind of a quick stop here in Amalfi, and we enjoyed some good food. We got that gelato that you just saw, and our hands were full, so I couldn't film it, but it was quite delicious, as you can imagine. But I encourage all of you who want to create a travel plan of Europe, do not miss out coming to the Amalfi coast. So you have Amalfi, Positano, Rivolo, a bunch of places here. And actually, Mount Vesuvius is not too far away either, so you can do all of that in a day trip. So keep watching, and a lot of great adventures still ahead. But for now, we'll say arrivederci.